No matter where we go, no matter what we do, if you're there, girl, I've got my eyes on you. No matter where we've been, no, there ain't no better view than you in my arms with my eyes on you, with my eyes on you, with my eyes on you. Hey everyone, this is Blaze Guitar Lessons, and today I'm going to teach you how to play this song. Obviously, maybe I should just cut that out and not even say that anymore. But anyway, so I'm going to teach you how to play Eyes on You by Chase Rice. His new album is awesome. Yeah, but to everyone who has subscribed already, thank you so much. To those of you who haven't, if you like this, please do, okay? So enough of that, let's get into it. So this song is a capo on the 2nd fret and then standard tuning, all right? So you're going to start, actually the only chords you're going to use, but they're going to change order, is you're going to use Cadd9. So just like that. So it's very easy to switch from G to Cadd9. So you just do a ring finger on the 3rd fret on the B string, and then you're going to put your middle finger on the 3rd fret on the A string, and then your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, okay? And you don't mute anything, okay? So it's going to be Cadd9 and then G. So you see how easy of a transition that is. Cadd9, then G, and then you're going to go to, you're also going to use D, so another very easy transition from that. You don't have to mute the top. I usually do just because that's how I play. D, and then you are going to do E minor 7, which is the easiest chord ever. You just put one finger on the 2nd fret on the A string, and that's it. Okay? Just like that. You don't need to mute anything with it. Okay? So that's it. So that's the order for the chorus is Cadd9, G, D, E minor 7, and it's Cadd9, G, D, G. Okay? So that's the order, and then you repeat that. So that's the order for the chorus. Okay? I say that because the chorus is the main part of the song. That's why I started with it. All right, now if we go to the intro, you are going to start with Cadd9. You're just going to do the end of the chorus part. So you do Cadd9, G, D, G. Okay, and you do it twice. Cadd9, G, D, G. Okay, I'm going to show you the strumming for that. Cadd9, so you're doing down, down, up, down, 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 down, up, down. So remember, that last part's probably the trickiest, but it's down, down, up, down. You do it as you're transitioning back from D to G. Down, down, up, down. Okay? Then in the verses, the chord progression is different. You're going to do E minor 7. Okay, so it's E minor 7, Cadd9, G, D. Okay, and I think that's it for the whole, yeah. Yep, so for the chord progression, that's the whole thing. So it's E minor 7, Cadd9, G, D. E minor 7, Cadd9, G, D. Okay, so it's, we've been to both Carolinas, seen a big Montana sky, driven up and down the coast a few times, London, Paris, paradise. But I ain't got much memory of the scene, come to think, miss some mom, dang babe, it's all your fault. Okay, so you go louder when you do it's all your fault. But, so let me just walk you through the strumming pattern for that because it's super easy. So it's down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. So you basically are just doing the down, up, down. Other than that, you're just doing down, like a kind of like a weight count. But you're just doing, and you just do like the up, the down, up when you're going from, when you're switching chords. So it's, watch down. Now you can throw in the same thing that we were doing at the end of the chorus. You can go. Okay, so you can do that little if you want. But just remember, play this part. The verse is a little bit softer than you do the chorus. And when you do the chorus, you can be a lot louder with it. And the strumming pattern for the chorus, I don't know if I said that before. I don't think I did. So it's going to be down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down. Okay, you ended on that G. Okay. That's the entire song. So let me know if you guys have any questions. It's a pretty dang easy song. You might have to listen to it to kind of get the rhythm. I know that when he plays it, it's actually on the piano, so the strum, it's going to be a little bit different, but you're just listening for rhythm. Okay, so there's a lot of different ways to do it. Like you can add a lot of... So you can add a lot more strums into it. I'm showing you how to do it the easiest way. It's just down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down. Okay, so that's how I'm showing you how to do it. All right, so that's the easiest way, but you could be doing a lot more with it. You could do like, no matter where we go, no matter what we do, if you're there, girl, I've got my eyes on you. No matter where we've been, no, there ain't no better view than you in my arms with my eyes on you. Okay, with my eyes on you. Okay, so that would be, that strumming pattern is much different and it's a lot faster. It's down. So down, 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 up, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Okay, so you're just doing down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So it's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay. So that's an additional way, kind of like a bonus feature I'm putting at the end for you guys. But that's an additional way you can play it if you want to play it a lot like faster and stuff and louder, and a little bit more impressive. But otherwise, you can just do that very simple one. Okay. So anyway, thanks a lot, guys. It's been real, and I'll see you next time.